The outbreak at the Garden Valley Healthcare Center began when a positive result showed up during weekly testing on September 15th. Over the course of a month, the Kansas City, Missouri Health Department says cases multiplied, with 98 COVID-19 positive patients at the 156-bed facility, as well as 44 staff members who have tested positive. 3 people have died.
I just want to make sure my dad's okay.
This man asked us to conceal his identity, fearing his dad will face retaliation from the facility for speaking with us. He says the robocalls his family receives from the facility are inadequate.
But it doesn't really say anything except the numbers. And the numbers are pretty disturbing.
So far, his dad has tested negative for COVID-19, but wishes he could get clear answers from staff.
Communication is the key. Okay. And so far, they get an F for the communication. Because you call up there, it goes to voicemail.
We talked about those concerns with Fred Stratmann with CommuniCare, the company that owns the facility.
But the reality is that we have staff and we need them to be providing care. And, it's an unfortunate priority that we have that we're not able to answer every phone call in a timely fashion. And we understand it's frustrating for the families, but we're doing the best we can in those circumstances.
Word of this outbreak comes 2 days after the association that represents nursing and assisted living facilities warned of another spike of COVID-19 cases due to community spread. Stratmann says they've followed a number of COVID-19 protocols. Currently, there's an isolation wing for those patients who have tested positive and observation units for those who may have been exposed and are awaiting test results. He says of the 98 who have tested positive during this outbreak, many have recovered, with only 24 people who remain in the isolation wing.